Anong next na fish? Up! Not yet! Not yet! Listen!
Stand up ka ha. Stand.
Fix ang fishing rod.
Stand.
Fix muna. Okay. Anong next na fish? Pinapatayin. Okay. Move hila. Move hila. Move hila. Move hila. Strong yung fish. Anong gagawin pag strong ang fish? Stand up. Nice. Follow ang fish para makasama. Follow.
Stand up.
Walk properly. Hold ka here. Hold ka. Hold. 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 Both hands. Hold here. Fishing rod para makasama yung fish. Walk properly. Nice. Walk. 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 Okay. Walk.
Hello?
Okay, go back.
Hello? Take us.
Up.
Hey, hello?
Chloe, stop. Look at the mirror. Then you walk. Walk. Up. Eat, eat,
Ready?
eat. There we go.
Stand up.
More.
Oh,
Please. Okay.
Stand up.
Ay, sorry. Anong
One.
fish yung next?
2, 3, stand. Stand.
Hmm.
Stand up.
Okay, look at here. Fix your feet.
Stand. 1, 2, 3, up.
Anong next na?
Taba.
Anong next na fish?
1, 2, 3, up.
Okay.
Sabay.
Ay, fishing rod. Okay.
Very good.
Hila ko pa ha. Hila.
Sabay.
Hila.
Sabay.
Lalaban ang ng fish. Ay! Palaban to ha. Up. Stand up properly.
1, 2, 3, up.
Hawak sa fishing rod. Then walk. Slowly na. Slowly. Slowly. Walk.
Saba.
Slowly.
Saba. 1, 2, 3, up.
Okay, go back.
Up. Up.
Up. Up. Oh, sa ano po? Listen ha. Listen muna. Kapag uupo, check muna yung chair. Okay? Okay. Fix natin konti. Up. There you go.
Up. Up.
Isa. Isa. Okay.
Up na.
Okay. Oh, let go muna.
Stand up na. Stand up na.
Get the fishing rod.
1, 2, 3, up.
Wala, nalaman the fish.
One more. One more.